Hi, this is a narration from my uninterrupted digital web movie called I Also Slept with Rashmi Verma. The rights of the book that I have authored by the same name have been bought by Rapo Group, a gentleman called Deepak Gattani, who specializes in making large concerts of Rahman. The group has bought the rights, and the producer on this film is going to be Ashish Parashar. He has a lot of experience with Indamol and has created shows like Fear Factor and Big Boss. The director on this project is going to be Raj Chandelia, the same guy who directed Dream Girl, which is a big hit under the Ekta Kapoor, Shobha Kapoor banner. And of course, there's me, who will be narrating chapter 16 from my book I Also Slept with Rashmi Verma. The chapter is called My Miss Verma and a poem called Kulta. I had found a close ally in Jayashree and would always confide in her about my troubled relationship with Miss Verma. But the only support I got from her was the chants of fuck her, just fuck her, when I was in their room with both of them. Nonetheless, it was heartening to know that I had a compassionate listener in Jayashree. So finally I relented. Man, only I know what one has to go through to get laid. I took my Miss Verma to my home. My mom liked her and chatted with her for a while. It was all thank you auntie, you're so kind auntie stuff. That went on for a while. I think she was gaining confidence in me now that there was some kind of seriousness that I had shown towards her. How can I say that? Well, the next day we went out for a movie and smooched all evening in the car, but sex, going all the way, was still a distant dream. It was Holi, and so Bhang and Thandai were in full swing on campus. We were all high on Bhang. There was colors, water balloons floating all around. The people were giggling and laughing like crazy. You know, the Bhang does that too. No doubt the effect of Bhang had sunken in. Rashmi came to my room. अरे मोटू, अगर मैं तुझसे शादी करूंगी तो सारा जीवन सफाई ही करती रहूंगी. She picked up the broom and started cleaning the room. Look at your room, यार. It's a mess. It's like a pigsty. रश्मि, तू थोड़ी सफाई इसके दिमाग की भी कर दे. बड़ा मार्केटिंग बॉन्ड बनता फिरता है. Said Anil Goel, who's lying on the other side of the room on his bed. Can you believe it? Look at the dust under this man's bed. Rashmi picked up the mattress and started dusting as if she was already my dutiful wife. There was a flutter of pigeons which had come in the window of our room that kind of distracted her. I was sloshed with bhang and started to see stars in the ceiling of my room. Soon we were all alone in the room and she sat on the bed with me. Let's get married, Motu. I'm sure your folks will like me, she said with a faint voice. There was a bit of fear and apprehension in her tone. I'm sure she was scared of getting rejected again. I stroked her cheeks and kissed her. Soon we were cuddling and groping in the bed. The passion was speaking and I was about to unhook her bra and unstrap her. The unthinkable happened. I came prematurely. Oh boy! This was like watching a distant disaster movie. After all the effort, when the moment of truth arrived, I just couldn't perform. I came in my underpants. I came all over my underpants. I gave an embarrassed chuckle and tried to ignore the situation. Rashmi was fine with it. Or at least it does seem that way. She never mumbled a word on the issue of my performance anxiety. Right in the last minute, I tried to salvage some male pride by snogging her with all my might, and then, in the heat of it all, we collapsed into each other's arms. I felt like Peanut John now, with my performance anxiety. Johnny has a peanut, Johnny has a peanut. But yes, again, I can safely say I hadn't slept with Rashmi Verma. We managed to get back to our senses in a while. To divert her attention from the disastrous sex session that had just gone by, I shared a poem with her. Chal yaar, I've written a beautiful poem today which has been inspired by you, I said, trying to get her to distract attention. Tell Motu, what is it? It's called Kulta, I said. To Irshad, Motu, bol apni kavita, bol na. As if on cue, I cleared my throat. The poem is just for you, my love, and it's called Kulta. Kulta, नगरी की एक पागल कुल्टा, नारी जाति की रीत ने जिसको जा पलटा। नहीं डरी वो अपनी भूख से, जा गिरी अपने मर्द की छाती पर। भोग मुझे जितना चाहे तू, मैं तेरे लिए जो चाहे कर दूं। नगरी की एक पागल कुर्ता करती अपने नग्न शरीर की नुमाइश, पूरी करती अपने यारों की फरमाइश, साथ पूरी करती अपनी ख्वाहिश। नगरी की एक पागल कुर्ता नहीं परवाह अपनी बिरादरी या खानदान की, ना अपनी आन या बान की। दुनियादारी को वो छोड़ चली, तोड़ दी परंपरा सारी, करती अपनी भूख पूरी जो है एक नारी के लिए बड़ा जरूरी। नगरी की एक पागल कुर्ता अपने कपड़ों को वो फाड़ती, अपने शरीर को वो ताड़ती। उसकी नगनता है एकदम पावन, खड़ी है अपने यार के आगे, आजा लूट ले मेरा तन मरन। नगरी की एक पागल कुर्ता खड़ी है चौराहे पे, जो चाहे तू मेरे साथ कर ले। ये शरीर तो झुलस जाएगा, मेरी आत्मा के साथ ये नहीं जाएगा। इस शरीर का क्या अपमान या सम्मान, आत्मा ही तो है मनुष्य की असली जान। नगरी की एक पागल कुर्ता दांतों से नोचती अपने वस्त्र, तोड़ती अपनी चूड़ियां, लांघती अपने शर्म की मर्यादा। नगरी की एक पागल कुर्ता नहीं डर उसे संभोग से, वो पाती मोक्ष अपने योग से। कभी दुनिया पर थूकती, कभी रागीरों पर चिल्लाती, छोड़ दी उसने अपनी जाति, तब जाकर वो मोक्ष पाती। नगरी की एक पागल कुर्ता अपने बालों को वो खींचती, उसकी चीख हवा में गूंजती। करो दुनिया वालों जो करना है मेरे साथ, नहीं मानूंगी मैं तुम्हारी बात। नगरी की एक पागल कुर्ता फिरती हर गली हर चौराहे पे, मुझे देख कर रुक जाती जब मैं मिल जाता उसे दो राहे पे। तुम ही तो समझ सकते हो मेरी बात, क्योंकि तुमने भी छोड़ दिया दुनिया का साथ। नगरी की एक पागल कुर्ता अपनी जांघों को वो कस कस के पीटती, जोर जोर से ठहाके मारती। जब छोड़ दिया दुनिया का साथ, अब तो रभी थामेगा मेरा हाथ। नगरी की एक पागल कुर्ता अब किस बात का है मुझे डर, करना था वो मैंने किया, नारी जाति का सारा विष पिया। लोग रांड रांड कह के मुझे पुकारते, दो चार पत्थर मुझ पर मारते। नगरी की एक पागल कुर्ता इस शरीर तो झुलस जाएगा, हाँ ये शरीर तो झुलस जाएगा, ये मेरे साथ नहीं जाएगा। इस शरीर का क्या अपमान क्या सम्मान, आत्मा ही तो है मनुष्य की असली जान। नगरी की एक पागल कुर्ता। I finished the poem with a great flourish and great elan. It's brilliant, Motu, it's brilliant. Wah, 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 wah. You are my inspiration behind the couplets, my love. I smiled and retorted. So you mean मैं कुलटा हूँ? नहीं डार्लिंग, तू कुलटा नहीं, तू मेरी चंद्रमुखी है। We both broke into a laughter. My premature coming was all forgotten. With a hug and a kiss, we fell back into our bed and went to sleep. End of chapter. Narrated by Anuj Tikku.